Are you looking for an affordable keyboard with RGB? I got just the thing for you. HyperX Alloy Core RGB. Great price, great deal. It's happening right now. You can see I pick it up December 1st, 2019. It's from HyperX Alloy Core RGB. It's membrane gaming keyboard. Very soft, very quiet. You don't hear the click, click, click. Especially while you're trying to live stream. Maybe you're recording a voiceover, whatever. It does have RGB LED backlit keys with lighting effects, spill resistant. It has dedicated media keys. I'll give you a better look at those. There you go. Got your volume controls. This also does have a brightness for the keyboard lighting on the top left. There we go. Right there you can see the brightness. You can change your different lighting modes to go with whatever game you're playing, or if you just want to run like a solid pattern to match your PC setup that you have, you can do that too. Flexible braided cable, which is great. I can't stress that enough. Everyone should be using braided cables. It makes them stronger, handle wear and tear much, much better. And like I said, last purchase, December 1st, 2019. I've been using it for a while.
Yeah, I do.
Works great. Use it daily. I use it on my editing computer. No issues, not once, not ever. And it comes in handy if you got kids in the house, especially for the spills.
That's right, Timmy.
It's got 4,140 ratings. They rated a 4.6. Not too bad. I will leave the link down in the video description for you, in case you want to go pick one up for yourself. 30% off. Good price. Very nice. Normally this thing lists for 50 bucks. Back when I bought it, yeah, it was about 50 bucks. So I might even pick up a second one. You know, just in case. You never know. Excuse me. Yeah, hopefully I've saved you some money today. That's what I'm here for. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tell all your friends. Bring your family.
Chuck Norris approved.
No way, you made it to the end of the video? You're awesome. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. Hey, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want to see more videos, click the boxes. See you in the next video.